Welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps of posting a picture on Pinterest. If you've ever wanted to share your ideas, inspirations, or favorite photos on Pinterest, but weren't sure how to upload them, this is the perfect place to start. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add pictures to Pinterest in just a few quick steps. The first thing you'll need to do is open the Pinterest app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, take a look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a plus button right in the center. Tap on it, and from the options that appear, select Pin. This is the option that lets you upload and publish a new picture to your Pinterest boards. Next, it's time to choose the picture you want to share. Pinterest will give you access to your phone's gallery, so scroll through your images and select the one you'd like to upload. This part is really flexible. You can share anything from a personal photo to a design or inspirational picture that fits your Pinterest goals. After selecting your picture, you'll move on to the details. Here is where you can make your pin stand out. You'll see spaces to add a title and a description. The title should be short and clear, while the description can be a little longer, giving more context about the picture or why someone might find it helpful. Clear titles and thoughtful descriptions help your pin get discovered by others who are searching for similar ideas. Now, choose a board where you'd like your pin to live. This keeps your profile organized and makes it easier for people browsing your boards to find content on specific topics. Once you've picked the board, tap Next. Finally, review your pin and hit Publish. That's it. Your picture is now live on Pinterest, ready to inspire and connect with others. With just these quick steps, open the app, tap the plus button, select Pin, upload your picture, add your details, and publish. You've successfully shared a new post.